Well, it's Wednesday, which means it's time for another press car to be dropped off in my driveway. And this one's going to be very easy to figure out, so I'm going to try and make it as hard as possible. Show you the least amount and probably the biggest close-ups you've ever seen, because, well, it's a dead giveaway if I don't do that. So, I'll start with as much as I can of the headlights. Alright, that's all you're going to get. They are HID headlights. I'll show you the mirror. Ready? Bam. I'm going to show you actually the inside, the trim. Bam. You'll see there's a red accent here. And of course, the car is very red as well. That's how red it is. It even has red brake calipers. The taillights, does that give it away? Oh, and the door handle, this will do it. Bam, you know what that is. Okay, so basically give me your best guess in the comments below, and if you're right, you win nothing. Thanks for watching.